Right, good morning everyone. Now, I've just made this flower and I'm going to show you how I've done it, and it is using the ombre ribbon. And as you can see, it looks like there's a flower within a flower. Now, I haven't seen this done this way, so it could be a first. Probably not, but I'm just saying. I just thought, you know what, there's another way of doing them flowers, and it is cute, isn't it? So I've got some of these rolled roses out because they're to do this flower with. But I also got some diamante out because I could have done that. I'll see how it looks, but I'm just showing you that one. Pretty flower. And how I've done it is, let me just move this off the table. So I don't need that just yet. Sorry, my phone might ring, but I'm trying to get hold of Raymond. Before I do that flower, I just want to share something with you. Yesterday I did show you the hats I'd done. These they're like a headband sort of thing, but a woolly hat type. But I do have these that I'm going to be putting on the store as well. It's like the beanie. I'm just letting you know that we do these, and we do them in lots of different colours. This one's a more chunkier one, so, and it folds up like that, so you have lots of headspace. But you know what I mean. So we do that one as well, and then I've done it in the cream, so you can see what that looks like that. And then that, look, they're properly done and they're nicely finished off. So if you want one of those type of hats instead of those with your orders, let me know, because I did get some orders from yesterday's video, so that was nice. And bear in mind, if I haven't knit them already, so they're not pre-done, I have to knit them. They take about an hour each. That's all. And the glove sets as well. So I'm just letting you know about those. Now, let me just put those out of the way. Where am I going to put them? In the bag. So let's get back to this particular flower. And it's cute. Now what you need is 5 strips of the ombre ribbon. Now we sell 12 colours, and I've done this one at 6 inches. That doesn't look 6 inches, does it? It's not 6 inches, that, surely. Don't look it. Anyway, let me get my ruler, because I don't want to get this wrong. You can do them bigger. This is 12 centimetres. In other words, 4 3/4 inches. Okay, so 12 centimetres long. It is wired, but we've taken the wire out. I have. I always say we, but I mean me. And you need 5 pieces. Now, depending on whether you want the inside bit to be the darker bit and the outside the lighter bit, because it's two-tone. And we do it in, like I say, various colours, depending on how it looks. So I'm going to now reverse this and do the lighter bit in the middle and the darker bit on the outer edge. If I remember what I did. That's the point. Burnish the ends with your lighter. And for those who don't know what I mean, because some don't, you just take your lighter and you burnish the end. It stops it fraying. Now, when I did this one, I did it with the outer edge being the darker edge. So it was, and you cross it over like that. Now, most people are sew up there and sew across there, but this one you don't. You fold in half like that. And I'm just going to start on this corner. I'm doing it the other way around, Fiona. Come on, come on. The lighter bit now. So I've done the dark bit on the outer edge. We're now going to do the light bit on the outer edge. And just fold that down. Like that. And then we're going to start and stitch it. Yes, I did put a knot in it. Sometimes I think, oh, have I put a knot in my cotton? So I'm hoping you're getting to see this. So just stitch down that side that you've folded. I mean, you can pre-fold them if you want, if it helps. Sorry. Right, let's get back to this. Sorry about that. It's never ending, is it? I want a peaceful year. So, like I say, we're just going to cross that section there. And I'm doing the light side on the outside this time. So then, again, we just fold that corner to corner, basically. like that. And I'm just going to stitch, oops, I just want to grab hold of that. Stitch at the side till you get to the corner. I'm just going to take it off because it's easier for me. Till you get to the corner again. Like that. Sorry, that one's going over there. And then we fold that over corner to corner. And then I can pin those two together. You don't have to do your stitches too wide apart, but you don't want them too close either. Just go across that end like that. Now if you really wanted to do it that way, you can fold it like I've just done, corner to corner, and give it a good crease, and then you can stitch up to there and it makes it a little bit easier for you. Like that. Then add the two together again. Oh, sorry. Add the two together again like that. And like I say, I haven't seen it done. I've seen this done, but I haven't seen it done when it's gone across the section without cutting them off. I've generally seen them sewn up like this, and then but they've cut these corner bits off what I've folded over. But what I found with this was folding the corner over and stitching it. When you pull it, it makes a double flower, which is good. So, and I've watched many flower makers, so no, I haven't seen it. Not folded over anyway. I'm trying all the time. I make a flower and then I think, how many different ways can I make that flower? And somebody mentioned yesterday in one of the comments, and thanks to everybody who's entered the competition, the giveaway, it'll be done on Friday. But somebody mentioned it, that they remember me doing one, I cut a die, I used a die cut, to cut out a petal pattern, and I had to do so many flowers, different flowers, out of that one petal. So, and I did, I got quite a few out. There is a video out that I've got, when I share that with you, just to show you that you can do more than one flower with one cut. So that's our final piece, and we just overlap the first piece to the last piece. Now you can do these with 6 petals, but I prefer 5. They even it out more really, and I just prefer 5. They look nicer, I think, more natural. Now when you get to the end, of course, you need to go back up to where you started. That's a bit much. I'll go back to the beginning. So you've got that on one side, and on that side you can see the flaps. That's what people generally cut off, but I haven't done that. So I just then decided to pull this in. And you just use a good strong thread if you can. And then I'm just going to stitch mine over. Leave the gap in the middle. Just helps flatten the flower out. Just trim that off. And then just even it out around your thumb and finger. And look, it does look nice, I have to say. You can even it out and keep going until you happy with it. And you end up with a double flower. Like that. I love it. Quite nice. I think this time I'm just going to put that on, but I do need to put the bottom section on. So I'm going to say this is a new flower for me. And I haven't seen it anywhere from the hundreds of thousands of videos that I've watched. But there again, there's a lot. Oh God, I didn't put my glue gun back on. I do apologise. We'll just leave that a minute. Right, it's almost ready. Turn that over, pop that on. Oops. Press that down. Pretty, isn't it? And so I'm going to show you one with a flower in and one with a bling. Like that. Oops, move that over a bit. Trouble is, when cold metal touches hot glue, it dries almost instantly. So it might look a little bit off shape, but there you go. They're nice, aren't they? There you go, another one for 2024, our first flowers. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. And just come back every day nearly. We do a video when we're back to normal. And although I'm never normal, so there you go. Bye bye for now.